Welcome, Amasa families. My name is Angie Barrientos, and I'm your toy instructor. Okay, so today we're gonna start with our fourth toy, which is the sound canisters. And now the materials that we're gonna be needing and using, we're gonna be using poster board, masking tape, pencils, scissors, and color contact paper to cover the cans, and the smaller one for the top of the cans. And we're gonna be using beans, some rice, and some sugar, okay? And don't forget these, we need 6 cans, okay? It doesn't have to be from the tomato sauce, but if you want, okay, from the tomato cans, but we need 6 cans. Okay, on the first step for this activity, we're gonna start with the cans, and we're gonna put the ingredients, okay? We're gonna start with the beans, okay? A little bit of beans on both cans, okay? Okay. Then we're gonna start with the sugar, okay? For the other 2 cans. And last is the rice, okay? So we pour, like I said, 2, 2, and 2, okay? 2 cans with rice. This is one. This is the other can. Okay? And then we're gonna trace the can on the poster board, and we're gonna trace and draw the circles, and we're gonna do 12 circles, okay, for each of the cans. Then we're gonna cut the circles. We're gonna cut all 12 circles. Once we have all the circles cut up like this, then we're gonna cover the can, okay, like this. Once you already have the beans inside, okay, and then we're gonna get the square yellow color contact paper, okay? We're gonna go over it and trace it like this and press it, okay? And we're gonna press it hard so we can mark it. And then once it's marked, then we're gonna cut it over a little bit, okay? Like this. Because it's kind of a little bit too big, so we're gonna cut the edges a little bit. Okay? And once you're gonna open it, once you open it, you're gonna press it on the can like this, okay? Okay, you're gonna press it all around, okay? Once you press it real tight all around, go like this, pressing it. Okay, then you're gonna use the tape. You're gonna use the tape, okay? Press it in like this, okay? You're gonna the tape like that. And keep pressing it so it won't open, okay? Like this, and just go all around and keep pressing it all the way so it can be real tight, okay? And once you had covered the top part, then you do the same thing on the bottom, okay? So it's gonna look like this, okay? So you cover both sides, okay? You put tape, okay? Once you finish, then you're gonna put the outside of the can with the contact color paper, okay? You open it and you measure it like this, okay? You're gonna tape it like this, press it. And it's gonna look like this. Okay, so this is one can. Okay, it's ready. And when we're done with the activity, it's gonna look like this. Okay, with all the 6 cans, we have 2 of the beans, okay, and 2 of the rice, and 2 of the sugar. And now that we have all the toy ready, the sounding canisters, okay, so now we're gonna be doing a little bit explaining of the activity that we're gonna be doing with your child, okay? We're gonna tell them about shapes, circle, colors, okay, and the sounds. This is smooth, okay? Oh, this is loud. The bean is loud, okay? And the smooth, the sugar, okay? So different sounds that you're gonna be doing, and you're gonna be counting cans, colors, the shapes, and then you can make a tower or design however you wanna do the activity with your child. You can show them colors, okay, and the shape of the can, okay, and the different sounds that you're gonna be hearing with this nesting, with the sounding can nesters. And thank you. I hope you like this activity that we did on the sounding cans, and we'll see you on your next toy.
Possibility sheet. One of the activities your child can do with these cans is to stack them one on top of the other to form a tower of different sizes. You can also roll them in front of your child for them to observe the movements they make. Also, remember that they produce different types of sounds, which will help you to expand your vocabulary by asking open questions like, is this sound soft or loud? How many cans are there? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Or reinforce geometric figures like circle and the colors. You can also introduce spatial notions like up, down, left, right, or front and back.